Hi, hello, have a good day, mom and sir. I am Jane Clit from Philippines. I am married with 5 kids, one son, 9 years old, and 4 daughters. Their ages 25, 21, 15, and 13. I am high school graduate. My hobbies are singing, dancing, and playing volleyball sometimes. I work as domestic helper in Qatar for almost 5 years in one employer only. I serve 2 adults and 3 kids. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of baby, bring them to school, playing with them, cooking their foods, marketing, cleaning their house, washing their clothes, and ironing. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to provide my children's needs, their school, and to finish their studies. I can also sing a nursery song like Twinkle Twinkle in the Star. I love to take care of children like as my child. I am a loyal, honest, and in my work and hardworking. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid and I promise to do my best. And I promise to finish a contract and to extend if my employer want me. Thank you and see you soon.